Got a vision in my head on the fabrics that I spread. Every stitch is by Tiara. Let me show you, it's my era. Watch the patterns start to bloom, chasing shadows from the room. Needles by Tiara, yeah, a designer extraordinaire.
Hi my pattern and freehand lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's Needles by Tiara here. Over the past few weeks, we've had influx of messages from people requesting that we make a detailed tutorial on how to join our YouTube membership program. So with that being said, my darling, in today's tutorial, I am going to be taking you through a detailed step-by-step guide on how to join our YouTube membership program. So without more wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the business of the day. So what then is Needles by Tiara YouTube membership community? My YouTube membership is a special community created for those who want to take their sewing and fashion skills to the next level. As a member, you'd enjoy exclusive tutorials, early access to selected videos, members-only content, live session, and other exciting perks depending on your membership level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fashion designer, there's a membership level designed to help you grow and learn more. In Needles by Tiara YouTube membership community, we have different levels entry, one of many which includes Tiara Premium Star Access. Tiara Premium Star Access happens to be the level 1 entry of our Tiara membership YouTube community. On this level, you're going to enjoy a lot of perk benefits, many of which includes loyalty badges, emojis, early access to new videos, and members only shorts. So before each and every one of our videos officially comes out to the general public, people on the level of Tiara Premium Star Access would most definitely be the first to have or gain access to that video before it finally gets shown to the general public. So which in a lot of cases, it might likely take months, days, or even weeks, okay? So people on this level entry would definitely have access to that tutorial first before every other person. So next on the level is our level 2, which is Tiara Exclusive Access. On this membership level, you are going to enjoy a lot of perk benefits, many of which includes members shout out. You are equally going to enjoy members exclusive only videos. So videos on this particular level, no other person would definitely have access to this particular selected videos except only you who is on Tiara Exclusive Access membership community. So there are a lot of tutorials currently up on our channel that you might likely not be able to access them, courtesy of our YouTube membership community. So there are a lot of perk benefits attached to Tiara Exclusive Access. Another entry level that we have is the Tiara Inner Circle. This particular level comes with so much benefit. I mean, so much, so numerous to mention. We have another entry level called the Tiara Pro Circle. In this particular circle, you are going to enjoy lots of benefits, okay? The benefits are so endless, the benefits are limitless, and trust me when I say this is a must try circle and a must be circle. I hope you understand. Last but not the least at the moment, we have the Tiara Elite Circle. Each and every one of this category is specially created and designed rather to give you an in-depth insight into perfecting and mastering your skill perfectly. So join us on our YouTube membership community where I am going to be teaching you how to draft an accurate pattern from scratch without confusion. So are you looking at mastering corsetry? I mean diverse kinds of corsets. Is it cup corset, overbust corset, underbust corset, Victorian corset, sheer corset, waist clinger corsets, waist pie corset, or even long line corset? Needles by Tiara is definitely here for that and more. Are you equally looking at mastering diverse types of jacket construction? Is it blazer, single-breasted jacket, double-breasted jacket, trench coat, varsity jacksuit, safari jacket, peplum jacket, or even cape jacket? Needles by Tiara sewing community is definitely here for that and more. Are you looking at mastering your bustier? Is it sweetheart neckline bustier? Is it an off-shoulder bustier? Princess dart bustier? Back hemline bustier? Illusion bustier, peplum bustier, or even strapless bustier? Needles by Tiara membership YouTube community is definitely here for that and more. I am going to be teaching you how to sew neatly, the act of understanding pattern alterations, and how to fix fitting problems. Building a strong fashion foundation even if you're just starting off. Save years of trials and errors by learning proven professional method required for your garment construction and more. So with that being said, my darling, these are all the benefits and more that you're definitely going to enjoy being a member of my YouTube community. So without no further ado, let's dive right into teaching you the step-by-step guide on how to join our YouTube membership community. So let's do that right away. So using my Android phone to show you how to go about this is what my interface looks like, right? Exactly. Now, once your interface comes up this way, you're going to go to your app and of course search for your YouTube app, which is exactly what I'm doing. So you're going to be looking for your YouTube app and not your YouTube studio, okay? Exactly. If you're a creator, you're going to the app and not the studio. Now, once the interface of your YouTube app pops up, you're going to click on that search bar and of course type out my channel name, which is needles_by_Tiara. As at the time of making this tutorial, I had already typed out this name, so I'm just going to click up on the name. Once I do that, the interface would come up. I'm going to still click on that my channel again, and you're fully inside my YouTube channel. Now you're going to scroll down to the particular tutorial that you want to have an access to, okay? Exactly. So let us assume that this particular tutorial right here, which happens to be how to sew an illusion corset blazer jacket as displayed on the thumbnail, is the tutorial that I want to have access to. I am going to click on that. There are other tutorials as well that are under membership, but let us use this particular one as the case study. So we're going to click on it. Once you click on that particular video, this is what your interface is going to show. So displaying on your screen now is a write-up that is going to state that this video is available to this channel's members on level Tiara exclusive access or any higher price level. So it automatically tells you the particular membership level that this particular tutorial that you want to have access to belongs to, okay? So what you're going to do is scroll up. Now, once you scroll up, you would notice that that white icon is already fixed on that particular level where this tutorial belongs to, which is level 2, which is named Tiara Exclusive Access, okay? So let us all assume that this icon is not focused on the level 2, okay? You'd have to click on that level 2, ensure that that icon is focused on the level 2 exactly, okay? Now you're going to swipe up. Once you swipe up, click on that button that says join membership. Once you do that, it will load up and this is what your interface would look like. So this write-up would definitely pop up which says start by adding a payment method. Once it loads up, you're definitely going to add a card. Now, to add your card, I need you to understand that the most acceptable card required for the purchase of this membership, if you are based in Nigeria, is your commercial bank MasterCard. Regardless of the bank that you are banking with, be it a Globus Bank, Face Bank, Fidelity, Zenith, UBA, FCMB, the list are endless, just name it. You must have to use a MasterCard if you're located or situated in Nigeria, okay? A vet card usually doesn't work because Google Payment doesn't support them for this type of subscription if you are situated in Nigeria. Now, if you're situated in Ghana, MasterCard is widely acceptable. A Visa card because many of the banks usually accept as well. And even a mobile money for Google Play purchase in some cases. So if you're resident in United States, a MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Amex, Discover, PayPal, Google Play balance, or even gift cards, Apple ID balance and payment methods are widely accepted. Now, if you're resident in Cameroon or you're a Cameroonian, of course, your MasterCard is most reliable. It is widely much more acceptable. Your Visa card, it is supported by many banks as well. So with that being said, my darling, if you're resident in Nigeria like myself, you'd have to use a MasterCard regardless of the commercial bank that you are banking with. Whether you're banking with a Globus Bank, an FCMB, a First Bank, a Zenith Bank, a UBA, whatever bank that you're banking with, it really doesn't matter. You have to get yourself your commercial bank MasterCard. So now let's accept that you do not have a MasterCard and you cannot get one immediately. You can always reach out to your friend or a loved one that has a MasterCard. Then from your end, you can send them the required amount that the system demands for the membership level you intend joining. Once the money reflects on the account, you can now proceed on to getting the card from them, or let us assume that they aren't around as at the time you wanted to make this purchase. So you can now reach out to them, ask them to send you their card number, the month and the date of expiration, as well as the 4-token code that is always written on the back of your commercial bank card. Once the number or the code has been sent across to you, you can now insert the code. Once you do that, you will now click on the Save Card. Now, let us assume you're done inserting and you click on the Save Card. What will happen is you would automatically get debited, okay? You would get debited. Even before you're debited, if you look at the interface, you'd notice it has 2,000 Naira, which is the required amount for this entry level. So automatically, once you insert your card, you'll be debited just 2,000 Naira. I hope you understand. Once you're debited, you would automatically have access to our level 2 YouTube membership community. I hope you understand. And by that way, every other tutorial that is under that level, you would most definitely have access to. I hope you understand. So please, if you're in the other parts of African country like Uganda, South Africa, Namibia, Rwanda, Lesotho, Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mauritius, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Kenya, Equatorial Guinea, the Great Gambia, Togo, Senegal, Djibouti, Gabon, Benin, Burkina Faso, and the list are endless. Please grab a MasterCard from your commercial bank and please follow through each and every part of this process like we earlier stated, and you'd most certainly be accepted into our YouTube membership community. I honestly cannot wait to see each and every one of you on the inside. So with that being said, my darling, it is safe to say that we've come to the end of the tutorial, the step-by-step tutorial rather, on how to join our Needles by Tiara YouTube membership community. Thank you, and I'm most definitely going to be seeing you on my next tutorial. Until I come your way next time, same channel. Bye!